What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, back with another amazing video for you guys. And today I'm going to be talking about 7 high-paying work from home jobs that you guys can do. All right, so if you stay and watch this video all the way to the end, I'm sure that you will leave by the end of this video with 1 or maybe 2 or maybe 3 websites that you can go back and do your research and apply and get a job right away. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. I talk about how to make money online, online jobs, entrepreneurship, and how to get better. So if you know anybody out there that would be interested in, learning how to make money online or find a way how to do job, because remember, this is 2018 going into 2019. This is now. It's not like before where you cannot do anything from home or work from home or make money online. So you just got to be with the times, because eventually, I'm not saying that jobs or anything is going to go out of sight, but majority of people, if you don't have an online presence and if you don't have an online business moving forward, you're basically just going to be like fish out of water. All right. So I'm just going to jump into things right away. I'm going to share with you guys 7 high paying work from home jobs that you guys can do. All right, the first one, number 1, there's a website that's called Sitecom. So Sitecom, as you could see, it's a work from home jobs and career opportunities, right? So why do they offer an opportunity to work from home? You could just go through here and you can see the reason why. So, they have all the information here. So I'm creating these videos, so I want you guys to, check these out, go on the websites, and just read more about them. So I'm just giving you an overview of the different websites that are legit and that you guys can work from home. All right, so if you go through here, you see share open positions, right, is Sitel work at home right for you. So you could go through here and you could see what they have to offer, right? And some locations, as you can see, are in the US, but I was checking here earlier, and then you can go through here and they could tell you exactly how to get connected, so you can apply, apply here, right? So if you click on where it says apply now, right, you can enter your email address, sign up, right? You could search for jobs, meet our people, discover the sites. And if you look here, right, they are located, if you look right here, they're located everywhere, right? Over 25 countries speaking 48 different languages. So go through this website and what they are, right? They're more of like, I would say they're a tech savvy kind of company. So if you're someone who, are in the engineering or technical world, this site would be great for you. So you could jump on here, you could search and see what they have to offer. I'm sure if you go and, search for jobs and search by locations, they can definitely pick something up for you. All right. So that right there is a great high paying job. And that was number 1. So website number 2, this is AskWondercom. And you could sign up for this as well, right? You can earn money using your brain, work when you want, and expand your resume and your mind. So you could just come through here. You could sign up the same thing, how it works, right? You're going to visit and research. So this website pay you to do research. So you do research and they actually pay you, which is pretty amazing, right? So they'll pay you for that. So, once you sign up, they're going to request you to work on, you find the answers, the resources. So if there's, companies or something that cannot find, they ask you to go do some research, and then, synthesize your findings, you submit your work and celebrate, so 4 easy steps to just get this going. And again, come through the website, sign up and get things moving. All right. Number three high paying jobs that you guys can do online is Scribble, right? So Scribble right here, you can do it's like transcribers, good communication skills. Of course, you got to be able to speak good English and write good English, right? And it's excellent for as you can see, American, British, Australian, Indian accents. So just come through here and you could, you could go through here and apply, right? Click on the apply button. Of course, you always want to apply. And then if you look here, right now they're paying anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour, right? US dollars. You're going to get, wow, that's pretty amazing, right? So you can apply and then, just go through here, see what it is that they are required, right? Requirements, good comprehension of English, right? Ability to interpret conversations. And of course, they pay via PayPal as well. So that's, that is great. So you're going to verify down here. So they give you all the information, right? So all you have to do is just come through here, right? Come through this website, Scribblecom, and it will give you more information. So do your research, do your homework. I'm just giving you guys an overview of exactly the websites that I found for the 7 high-paying jobs, all right? Number four is ListVerse. So ListVerse, if you come here, right, get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? ListVerse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. So I think this is all, there is some form of reading, right? You can get money through PayPal, right? If you don't have an account, easy to set up. So if you come through here, you can just read the rules, just go through the entire thing, right? And right here, they say pictures and videos. When you send in your list, you don't have to include image or video. So our team will edit it, does a great job selecting the best images. So I do believe that what they do, they collect photos and videos here as well. So that's pretty impressive, right? So submission form, you just click on it and then get writing right away. So you can also do like writing, blogging, and ListVerse is just like they have all here, the entertainment, they have gaming and all that kind of stuff, general knowledge, they got books, facts, history, miscellaneous, sorry, right? So you have all this right here, so make sure you check that out. All right, number five website is the Mod Squad. So modsquad.com, right? Modsquad.com it's a fun working environment. And what is this? Basically, these people hire you to be on social. So if you're always on social media, right? If you're on social media to give your feedback, maybe they want you to write something, right? Write something good about the things, just kind of monitor. So there's, huge companies that have these social media. You've been on like Facebook and you see like huge corporations, and then you have some people that says, well, hello, John, this, that, and they will send you some information in the comments area. So these are like huge companies, right? Huge companies they work with giant companies, and it's great to just be on social media because you're already on social media anyways, right? Why not just go and apply for a job and, interact and communicate with those people, all right? So that was modsquad.com. The next website, number 6, is Aim for an A Tutoring. So you can tutor, right? And you can make money. So here's the information down here as well. Please send us an email with your resume. So you want to make sure that your resume is up to par, make sure it's good, and send it to jobs@aim4a.com. And then they will go through everything, right? Example, if you're good in math, English, science, ACT, SAT, TOELF, AP classes, all that kind of stuff. So if you're someone who just got out of school, and even if you're not, or let's say you didn't just get out of school and you're good in any one of these languages, right? Use your skill set and you could get paid for it, right? So why not get paid while you have it, right? So you probably went to school, you went to a good school. So just go through this and see what works for you, right? And the number 7 website that I'm going to share with you guys and it's all selling courses. I love affiliate marketing. And if you like affiliate marketing, that's my thing, right? I just go out there, I sell multiple courses to different people that will educate them and that will help them. And whenever I sell it, I receive a commission. So if you guys want to check out the first link in the description and learn more about, social media marketing, how to create a business online, the link down below will help you to get more information on that. All right. So I hope this video helps. And that was like my 7 highest paid jobs that you guys can do online. All right. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video some love. And I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Peace.